Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at simplifying radicals. What is the simplified form of the square root of 54n to the power of 5? We're going to start by listing the prime factors on the inside. So we're going to use a factor tree and find what are the prime factors of 54. 2 times 27. 27 is going to break down into 3 times 9, and 9 is going to break down into 3 times 3. So we're going to list these out with the number of n's. 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5n's. We can now take each set of doubles and we're going to factor them out. We have a double of 3, a double of n, and a second double of n. That 3, n, and n is going to come to the outside. What's left will remain inside. We can then simplify, and that becomes our final answer. Now let's take a look at multiplying radicals. We're going to begin by multiplying the outsides by each other, the 2 times 5, and then we're going to multiply the insides and have them in prime factor form. So we have 2 times 5 on the outside, and then we have the 5, the x, the 3 times the 5, which was our 15, and 4 x's. We can multiply the outside, become 10, and the inside we want to have them in least to greatest. We can then take out our groups. We have a group of 5 and 2 groups of x. That 5 and both x's will go to the outside while the 3 and the x remain behind. We write in simplest form, multiplying 10 times 5 times x becomes 50x squared, and the inside becomes 3x. And that is our final answer. Next, let's take a look at rationalizing denominators. Here we have the square root of 3 over the square root of 4x. So we're going to want to simplify the numerator and denominator if possible. Since these are already in simplest form, we are now going to multiply the remaining denominator square root to the numerator and denominator, which means we're going to take that square root of 4x and we're going to multiply it by the top and the bottom. The top will then become 12x inside. And square root of 4x times square root of 4x becomes the square root of 16x squared, but simplifies right back to being 4x because we have a pair of 4's and a pair of x's. We now want to simplify the top. We can break the top down into 2 times 2 times 3 times x. We have a pair of 2's that can come out. And then we can simplify our top and bottom both by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we end up with square root of 3x all over 2x. This is now in simplest form because we did not have a square root symbol in the denominator. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Please feel free to subscribe and have a great day.